Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. If you're new here, I'm Laura, and this channel is all about helping you learn English with real practical techniques. Today's episode is all about a powerful method to improve your English speaking practice, fluency, and pronunciation. It's called shadowing. We'll explore how you can use graded readers to improve your accent, especially if you're aiming for a clear American accent. Whether you're doing daily English practice or looking for a structured English course, this episode is for you. Part 1. What is shadowing? Let's start with the basics. What is shadowing? Shadowing is a language learning technique where you listen to spoken English and repeat what you hear immediately, trying to match the speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Think of it like being a shadow. You follow every move the speaker makes, but with your voice. It's one of the most effective ways to build spoken English fluency, and the best part is, you don't need a teacher to do it. You just need a good audio recording and a script to follow along. That's where graded readers come in. Part 2. What are graded readers and why use them? So, what are graded readers? They are books written in simplified English, graded by level, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. These books often include an audio version, which makes them perfect for shadowing English speaking practice. Why do they work so well? Because you're not overwhelmed by difficult vocabulary or grammar. You're focused on understanding, listening, and speaking. And because the language is clear and natural, it's great for English pronunciation practice and improving your English listening practice. Part 3. How to use shadowing with graded readers. Now let's talk about how to actually do it. 1. Choose a graded reader at your level. Don't go too advanced. You want to understand at least 80% of the story without needing a dictionary. 2. Listen to the audio first without reading. This helps train your ears. 3. Then listen again and shadow the audio. Try to match the speaker exactly, the timing, the accent, the emotion. 4. Finally, read the text out loud without the audio. This builds confidence in your English conversation skills. Repeat this process daily. Even 15 minutes a day can dramatically improve your English fluency over time. Part 4. Benefits of shadowing English practice. Now you might be asking, why is this better than just reading or watching YouTube videos? Great question. With shadowing English, you're training both your brain and your mouth. You're learning how words sound and how to produce them naturally. It improves your speaking practice, helps you notice the rhythm of native speakers, and reduces your accent over time. If you're working on your English American accent, shadowing is a must. It helps you learn the subtle differences in vowel sounds, stress patterns, and connected speech, things that aren't always taught in a traditional English course. Plus, you're building real-world skills for English conversation practice, not just memorizing grammar rules. Part 5. Daily routine tips. Let me share a simple daily English practice routine using shadowing. Morning, 10 minutes. Shadow a short English story or dialogue from a graded reader. Afternoon, 5 minutes. Listen again and notice how the speaker uses intonation. Evening, 10 minutes. Record yourself shadowing and compare with the original. Over time, your spoken English will sound more natural, and you'll become more confident in your ability to practice English speaking, even in real conversations. Part 6. Where to find materials. So where can you find good content for this? Try websites or apps that offer graded readers with audio. Many are free or very affordable. YouTube channels with English learning stories are also a great option. Even podcasts like this one can be used if you have the transcript. Remember, consistency is key. Don't worry if your accent isn't perfect at first. With time and regular shadowing English practice, it will improve. Part 7. Real-life example. Let me give you a real example. One of my students, Anna from Brazil, used shadowing with graded readers for just 20 minutes a day. After 3 months, her English conversation skills improved so much that she felt confident enough to give a presentation at work. In English, she wasn't just translating in her head anymore. She was thinking in English and sounding more fluent. That's the power of shadowing and regular English speaking practice. To wrap things up, use graded readers with audio. Shadow daily, even just 10 to 15 minutes. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. If you're serious about improving your spoken English, shadowing is one of the most practical tools out there. It's more than just English listening practice. It's a full workout for your English speaking muscles. And remember, language learning is a journey. Enjoy the process and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's also learning English. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried shadowing before? Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite resources or any questions you have about English shadowing practice. Until next time, keep practicing, keep shadowing, and keep learning. Take care and happy speaking.